Lady Proxima belongs to a species called Grindelid. She hails from Corellia, but her species are originally from Persis 9. Lady Proxima is very old and she dates all the way back to the High Republic era. It's during this era that she helped the other members of her species to drive the Nihil off of Corellia. We are introduced to her in Solo, a Star Wars story where she's a crime boss and she's leader of a group known as the White Worms. This group would later take children, dubbing them scum rats, and get them to participate in criminal activities in exchange for food and shelter. In the movie, we see that Han Solo and Kira are both scum rats and they are brought before Lady Proxima after failing to acquire some coaxium. Han then used a rock to smash a window, letting the sunlight in and burning Lady Proxima. Her species' homeworld, Persis 9, has a very dense atmosphere, and due to the Grindelid biology through their evolution on that planet, Proxima, like every member of her species, has photosensitive skin and very sensitive eyes, which is why her skin was burnt by the sunlight and why her lair on Corellia is dark. Prolonged exposure to sunlight will kill these beings and eventually will turn their bodies into dust. Han Solo would later return to Corellia with Chewbacca after seeking parts for the Millennium Falcon. He was recognized and captured by Proxima's men and brought before her. She threatened him by saying that he would pay for scarring her and for failing to bring him the coaxium. Chewie then gives Han a thermal detonator where he detonates it, smashes some windows above her head and pouring her in sunlight again. This left the right side of her face permanently scarred and she was blind in her right eye. Overall, Grindelids had a pretty savage society. It's their culture to eat a person that was responsible for the death of another Grindelid. If they couldn't find that person responsible, then the next person that shared some responsibility would be eaten instead. Hope it helped.